Hello everybody, in today's video I want to show you how you can move bullet points to the left or the right in Google Docs. So as you can see, I have those bullet points with the country names, and what I can do, if I want to move everything, I'm going to select everything like this, and here you can see this ruler. So if you don't see the ruler right away, you can click on view and you can enable it from here, and then you can drag one of those things. You can either drag this blue triangle. This is going to move everything, so both bullet points and the name or the text. So you can move this to the right or to the left. Or if you want to move only the dots or points, you can just drag this rectangle, this first line indent, and it's going to move only them. Okay, so if you are not sure or you moved it wrongly and you don't know how to go back, you can click on this undo, or you can press shortcut Ctrl+Z or Command+Z, and this is going to undo your action. And this is basically how you can move your bullet points. It works same for the, if you have maybe numbered list, so you can just drag those indents, and that's basically it. So if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.